Yeah, I'm, I mean, what I do know is that you...
Dexter, this is Oliver. Oliver Dexter.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
I didn't know if you wanted the Belgian brown or the oatmeal stout or the...
Okay, take care.
Oh.
Hi, Dexter.
Going for a little night swim. Dexter? What happened? Date tonight?
I know you were friends. You okay to work this?
Yeah.
Cassie up for a date?
Yes, I was late.
Where were you coming from?
I had a building inspection. I'm a structural engineer.
Would Cassie still be alive?
My husband and I...
Is dating. He was interviewed. Is it possible?
Anything I can do to help find the guy who did this to Cassie?
This must be really hard on you.
Building inspections. Yes. You're welcome to take a look at my workbook. I was in Sunny Isles inspecting a new condo.
Just a few minutes away from here.
Yes.
How are you going to work that in?
I guess that was a little crazy. Cassie kept pushing for it, and I didn't want to disappoint her. Yeah, she really wanted a romantic getaway.
Here you go.
How about a little breakfast?
Okay. Mom?
Feels good to cook for you again.
Help me how? I will never be locked up again. Do you know what that was like? Is it only to realize that the answer was never? That was you. All you ever cared about was Richard. You never tried to help me. While I was rotting away, you gave him a life. Please what? I want you to see something. Get in. I'm not gonna hurt you, Mom. Trust me, if I wanted you dead, I wouldn't be holding this door. To help you understand. Have a seat. Well, it's a reminder. When I would refuse to take my meds, you said before that you wanted to help me.
Most facilities aren't like this, Daniel.
I want you to help me like you helped Dexter. If you care about me the way you say you do, you'll figure out a way to make this work. I'm asking you as your son. Please help me. What about Dexter? He's still after me. Choose right this time. Choose me.
I want to be your mother again.
No, what are you doing? No!
you want to see me tonight? Of course.
I'm very comfortable.
What are you afraid of, Mother? Mother chose the wrong son. Hi, Dexter. You came in to clear. I spent so much time there with Cassie, but my business is here. My friends, family. Example. Is that really necessary? I'll be sure to let you know.
Good.
Dexter, this is Oliver Sack. He really responded to...
Pleasure. And death.
Why don't you follow me?
Would you mind if Dexter showed me? I always did like this place. You have the same view of the water Cassie did. We walk away.
Walk away.
Both of us. Been a little bit over the top. But I was only trying to make a point. You know what it's like. The kill. And it was. That's why I'm giving you a choice. Go on with your life, or come after me. Cute little son, your sister, all very lovely. That must be an interesting story. The choice is yours.
Pro is seeking the public's help in locating a suspect, Oliver Saxon. The footage we received from this unknown nature of the murder, allegedly committed...
Fucking Dexter.
Motherfucker.
I like this place. Miami's a great city. Love the Cuban food. Nice weather. I've never been good at relationships. Longest was a couple of weeks, and she was chained to my radiator, so... Then don't. Walk away. Electric chair.
Are you still alive? No.
Reporting that Laura is now just east of Cuba with sustained power. If it keeps on this current course, it could hit the Keys by sundown.
Hurry up.
Almost finished.
We have learned that a deputy marshal died on the scene. The suspect, Oliver Saxon, is still at large and may have carjacked a blue pickup truck. If you
Get your car keys.
please contact
You're taking a drive. Do what I said, and you won't get hurt. So this is it? I know.
He's choking.
In order to conserve power, the south wing has been closed. At this time, we ask all visitors to make their way
Damn it. We got this, Dex.
Dex, this is just a scratch. Deb. Who's Deb?
Fucking piece of shit!
Quinn, out. You know,
What a pretty picture. Tell me all this.